Today we're going to talk about how physics is used in iPhones.
The iPhone is a breakthrough handheld device. It has many impressive qualities, but perhaps one of the most interesting ones is that it bends the laws of physics. As we all know, there are many different types or branches of physics. There's quantum physics and the list goes on. But one of the most interesting type of physics that goes on in iPhones is digital physics. The meaning of digital physics in simpler words, that it's rooted in the real world, but it takes advantage of the limitless powers of the software. The thing that makes digital physics much more interesting is that it's done by mimicking real life. The behavior of the iPhone, it's created by plugging the formulas from real physics that we took over the years into the iPhone. For example, you can apply gravity and viscosity formulas to create a very realistic motion.
So how does it work? Cell phones emit electromagnetic radiation, which communicates through radio frequency waves. Radio frequency waves is the energy in the electromagnetic spectrum. These waves are located between FM radio waves and microwaves. The engineers at Apple were inspired by how physical things and objects work in nature. For example, all buttons on the home screen look like real buttons, and the keyboards make sounds that resemble physical keyboards. Here are some examples.
As you scroll on your phone, your finger does an upward and downward motion which allows you to view more than one thing. You can also control the speed of the scroll, which gives off a realistic element to the phone. The sliding feature on our phones allows us to control the volume or frame in a YouTube clip. There is a little amount of resistance between your finger and the phone, which makes it very easy to use. While calling someone, sound waves convert to electrical waves, to radio waves, and back to sound. The station picks up the signal from the phone and passes it to another phone.
Thank you for listening.